So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to clean up a kiln shelf that's got glaze on it. You're going to need an angle grinder, a mask, ear protectors, gloves, and goggles. I've never actually gotten glaze onto a kiln shelf, but the amount of glazing and firing I'm doing at the moment, this was inevitable. So this is a really important thing to know how to do. I'm going to change the disc here to a grinding disc. This is currently a cutting disc that I've got on the angle grinder. I bought this cheap from Amazon. It's actually really good for what I'm going to do with it. You will need an angle grinder in your studio to just do jobs like this, really, and maintain your kiln shelves. And I've always been a little bit scared of angle grinders, but this one I actually feel quite comfortable using, so that's a relief. So once you've changed the disc, which is a bit of a struggle here, you see it's not a huge amount of glaze, but it's enough to make the kiln shelf unusable. And well, for me, so I wanted to fix it. So I'm going to very gently take the angle grinder over this area, being very careful because these kiln shelves aren't extra tough in any way, and they could easily break if you're too rough with this. You also don't want to create an uneven surface, because the point of tidying it up is that you're creating a flat surface again. So just really carefully take the angle grinder over the bits of glaze. I'm doing it outside because it's not nice work, really. You obviously don't want to breathe in the dust, but also you don't want to get any shards of glaze flying off. Into your environment. And here I'm just checking the surface, making sure I haven't missed anything, and then taking the angle grinder over this surface again. And what I'll do with this is I will back wash this again. Probably it's a good idea to scrape down the back wash that's currently on this shelf and then give it a new coat of backwash, and that should fill in any kind of imperfections you've got in the surface from grinding. And then obviously I got glaze on the bottom of the plate, as I said, and I decided to buy myself a multi-tool, and I can't actually believe I've been an artist for this long and not owned a multi-tool. I was thinking of taking the angle grinder to it initially, and then I had second thoughts about that because I didn't want to smash the piece to pieces. So I took the multi-tool with a grinding tool on it. It did take a little bit longer, but I still have the plate intact, and I was very happy with the results, really, of using the multi-tool to clean up the base. And this is a plate I can sell. So this is a simple video showing you just a really essential technique for cleaning up your shelves. And I hope if you're new to the channel, you'll give me a like, but also give me a subscribe. And I hope to see you again in the next episode. Thanks so much. Goodbye.